Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Taufik Hidayatullah and I'm from B1 English Education. My NPM is 192200 and age. So, today I want to teach you about asking and giving opinion. Sebelum mulai, alangkah baiknya kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Berdoa menurut kepercayaannya masing-masing. Berdoa dipersilahkan. Berdoa tidak pernah selesai. Sebelum mulai pembelajaran, anyone else know about what is a giving and asking opinion? Asking opinion is when you ask for what somebody else think about something. And a giving opinion is mean telling something about what are we think about something. Materi pembelajaran yang akan kita pelajari tentang giving and asking opinion ada 4 hal. Yang pertama adalah expression opinion. Kita akan belajar bagaimana seseorang itu mengekspresikan sebuah opini. Dan yang kedua, asking for opinion. Kita akan belajar tentang bagaimana seseorang menanyakan sebuah opini. Dan yang ketiga adalah giving opinion. Kita akan belajar tentang memberi sebuah opini. Yang keempat adalah refusing things. Kita akan refusing things seperti kita akan menolak sebuah opini atau menerima sebuah opini. Expressing opinion. An expression opinion have a two situation, formal and informal. Kita akan dihadapi dengan dua situasi, formal dan tidak formal. Formal digunakan saat kita berada di pekerjaan atau sekolah antara guru dan murid, sedangkan informal digunakan saat kita bercakap dengan a friend or close friend, atau lebih tepatnya lebih ke teman atau sahabat. For asking for opinion, dalam situasi formal kita bisa menggunakan have you got any comment on, or do you have any idea, or do you have an opinion? And in an informal situation, we can use what do you think of, or what do you think about, or what is your opinion, what do they behave like that, and many more. And in the giving opinion, kita bisa menggunakan I personally believe, I personally consider, or I personally think or feel, I hold the opinion, or something like that. And in informal situation, dalam form informal situasi, kita bisa menggunakan I think I like it, or I think it's a good or nice or something else, or I don't think I care for it, or I don't think much of it, something like that. In refusing things, kita bisa menggunakan thank you for your offer, but I don't want to, or we can use no thanks, atau kita bisa menggunakan no need to bother, thanks. Task 1, observing. Kita akan menganalisis satu video. Kita akan memberikan sebuah feedback atau masukan tentang ekspresi yang mereka buat di link yang sudah tertera.
Kyou wa atsui desu ne.
今日は暑いですね。
今日はあまりいい天気ではありません。
今日はあまり、
どこへいらっしゃいますか？
いらっしゃいますか？
ちょっとそこまで。
ちょっとそこまで。
Are you studying Japanese?
Yes, I am.
I never knew that you are interested in other languages.
In my opinion, I think everybody should at least speak 2 languages.
Why do you think that?
I think learning another language makes you smarter.
How does learning another language make you smarter?
Learning a new language is exercise for your brain.
Exercise for your brain? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Just like jogging is exercise for your body, learning benefits your brain.
Actually, I think there is a better reason for learning another language.
Really? What do you think?
It opens up your world. You can meet more people and learn about cultures.
I think it's also the way to get a better job.
Setelah kita menonton video tersebut, kita akan membuat sebuah dialog tentang asking giving opinion dan membuat a role play with your friends. Terima kasih sebelumnya. Sebelum pembelajaran berakhir, ada kata-kata bijak dari Jim Rohn. The major failure in a life is not what you get. The major failure in life is what you become. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.